So far we have brought most of our animals home in the trunk of BMW. Only the cow did not fit and came in a different transportation. The goats had to endure a 2-hour drive, but they coped very well. In life things do not always go as planned. The saying is very accurate. If you want to make God laugh, tell him about your plans. We really wanted to get our own milk, and that is why we took home our first cow last summer. Unfortunately, our cow lost her calf, and at the moment we will not get milk until the new calving. But it will take a long time, because we have not been able to successfully inseminate the cow. As an interim solution, we thought we could get goats. Goats are extremely cool characters. They are smart and playful, and they always like to be near us. They love to climb and jump high up. We could just watch and pet them all day long. We have had goats for several weeks now, and we get 3 liters of milk every day. Goats eat everything, but no cow or sheep wants to. Bushes, branches, tall plants, leaves, and even poisonous plants. Goats clean up our ditches and turn this incredible mess into very nutritious milk. Goat milk is easier to digest and contains less lactose than cow's milk. It is also good for those with sensitive digestion. Compared to cow's milk, goat milk contains more calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin B1 and also vitamin C. It was a big surprise for me that people have a prejudice against goat's milk, and some don't even want to try it. I agree that you can't really compare it to cow's milk, but when goat's milk is fresh, it tastes very good, and the yogurt and cheese made from it are a real taste experience. I'm glad that we no longer have to buy milk from the store, because I do not want to support the consumption of milk from animals kept in damp closed barns with concrete floors. The cow's place is the pasture. We know how our animals live and what they eat, and raw milk contains so many nutrients that store-bought pasteurized milk does not. Store-bought milk contains only empty calories and causes inflammation in our bodies. We are fortunate to have fresh goat's milk on our table. There are several ways to curdle milk, but as a beginner it is a good idea to try lemon as a first experiment. Lemon can curdle milk quickly and easily make fresh curd or cream cheese. The milk must be heated to 80 degrees Celsius. Then add lemon juice spoon by spoon until the milk starts to curdle and the whey separates. Strain the whey through a strainer and you will have fresh curd. For example, you can make a savory sandwich spread with wild garlic or whip up a creamy dessert with berries. I'm making a simple cake from the curd I made the day before, using only curd, a little sugar, eggs and grated lemon zest. A very simple and traditional form cake, just like my grandmother made. Meanwhile, a ram from a neighboring village came to visit our sheep. Now we are eagerly awaiting the arrival of the next flock of the sheep.